everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. So you can get these type of pebbles from your garden and color it. The idea is to create a beautiful scenery here. You can use it for decor purpose as well. So take out your sketch pens or you can use watercolor as well. Look at this beautiful artwork. Let's make it. So we're going to draw and cut the shape of the jar using sponge. We're going to put some blue color. Let's draw the fireflies now. Cut all of them and paste it on the jar using fairy light. We're going to make a hole, put it inside, and it's ready. Let's make this beautiful artwork. Using this leaf, we are going to draw different colors on the top of it. Color it completely. Let's draw some scenery inside it. Using marker, we are going to draw the pole, stars, moon, and it's ready. So we're going to draw a beautiful artwork using this green leaf. So we're going to apply some paint on the top of it. You can use watercolor in place of sketch pen. Now we're going to draw a tree and a swing as well. And we're drawing a cat sitting on the swing and it's ready. We're going to fold the paper and draw the chili, draw the eyes. Now open it and complete the drawing. We're drawing fire coming out of the chili and then draw it, color it, and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.